Welcome to Cindy Sparkles Every Day, your go-to place for lifestyle, beauty, and wellness. Here you'll find everything from nail care to fitness routines, unboxings, makeup, try-ons, and the latest anti-aging tips. Discover the ease and elegance of semi-cured gel nail strips, perfect for achieving salon quality nails at home. These strips are a game changer for your nail care routine. Join me for fun and effective fitness routines that you can do anywhere. Whether you're looking to tone up, build strength, or just stay active, my exercise videos have got you covered. Experience the excitement of unboxing the latest lash products with me. From dramatic falsies to everyday essentials, you'll get a sneak peek at what's inside each Lashy Box. Watch makeup transformations and try-ons where I test out new products and share tips to help you achieve stunning looks. From everyday makeup to glamorous styles, there's something for everyone. Explore the best anti-aging tips and products that help you look and feel your best. I'll share my favorite skincare routines and treatments to keep your skin youthful and radiant. Subscribe now for weekly, monthly, and daily updates and join me on my beauty journey. Don't miss out on the latest trends, tips, and tutorials. Hit that subscribe button and become part of our community.